In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a music cover in Magnific AI Mobile. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the mobile app so you can turn an idea into a polished, platform-ready cover in just a few minutes. First, open Magnific AI on your phone. Once you're in, look to the bottom menu and tap AI Suite. From there, choose Generate Images. This takes you to the creative workspace where all the magic happens. Next, type your prompt. Be as descriptive as you can. Think about the genre, mood, and imagery that match your track. For example, dark synthwave skyline with neon purples or warm acoustic vibes with vintage textures. Include color palette, lighting, and any focal subject you want featured. If you plan to add text later, mention space for a title or artist name so the layout leaves room. A quick tip: keep your prompt clear and avoid references to logos or recognizable faces you don't have rights to use. Now tap the settings icon. Here, choose a mode, like Google Banana or another style preset. Each mode nudges the artwork toward a different aesthetic, from clean and minimal to bold and experimental. Pick the one that aligns with your music's vibe. You can always come back and try a different mode if the first pass isn't quite right. Set how many results you want and the aspect ratio. If you're making a traditional album or single cover for streaming platforms, a square 1:1 ratio is a safe choice. If you're designing for vertical platforms, consider a taller ratio. Asking for multiple results helps you compare variations and pick the strongest concept. When you're ready, tap Generate. The render can take a little while, especially with higher counts or complex prompts. If it's still processing, return to the main screen and tap Work at the bottom to view your results as they finish. Open each image to review composition, color, and detail up close, and note which version best represents your track. And that's the full process for creating a music cover in Magnific AI Mobile. Follow these steps, refine your prompt as needed, and you'll have a standout cover ready to go.